video lecture for mathematics for competitive exams for all UG programs. I am Dr. N. Balaji, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, SRM Institute of Science and Technology. Today, we are going to learn about the clock. In day-to-day life, everybody involved the time for their routine work. So, how properly we can utilize, how we can know the skills about the clock based on that. Generally, we used to say that uh, time is money, time is everything. So that about that time and clock, we have to learn much. After this video lecture, we can learn how the time utilized properly, how the hour hand and minute hand, how it shows the phase numbers, the clock angle rotated. They can able to differentiate that between analog and digital clocks and practice more skills about the clock, how to utilize the time. So after finishing this class, the students can able to find out uh, nearest hour, nearest half an hour, quarter, that everything they can get an idea how to solve the problems, how much rotated the angle, right? So we used to say that minutes are, it is, this is the minutes are, this is the hours are. So we used to write it. There are two types of that. Smaller one is called the hour hand, bigger one is called the minute hand. So how much angle traced by that? It is called angle traced by hour hand is 360 by 12, because 12 hours traced by that, it is 12 hours that it is traced by hand. 360 by 12, how much angle traced by minute hand, it is hour hand. This is because in the 12 hours it is there in the clock. Here the minute hour and it is uh, 60, 1 hour it takes 60 minutes. This is about the hour, this is about the minutes. These two formulas you have to remember to convert into an angle. Actually this 12 hours it is converted into 360 degrees. So each hour divided by 12, and each minute we used to take it as divided by 60. That we will see that while we are doing the problems. So first, any how whatever the time it is there, that we have to convert into the hours. So now here it is given 4:20, that is 4 hours 20 minutes it is given in this time. So 4 hours we know that 20 minutes it is there, everything to be converted into hours. How to convert it hours? 20 minutes is given, this 20 minutes by divided by 60 minutes, it will give 2 by 3. Now this already 4 plus 2 by 3. So that is 4 2 by 3. You can write it 4 3s are 12, 2 by 3. It is 14 by 3. 4 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So this is 1 by 3. 4 plus 1 by 3, that is it will become as 13 by 3. So this 13 by 3 hours we used to say that. So the minutes hand, the hour and small hand, that it is a small hand or hours hand we used to write it. So 13 by 3 hours it rotated. That we want to convert into an angle. So smaller one we want to convert first, then the bigger one you have to convert into the second one. Right. Now it is already told you that this it is given by that angle traced by that 13 by 3. It is I am converting into degrees. That 13 by 360 by 12 into 13 by 3. If you converted, it is 360 degrees we used to say. 360 degrees, how much we are getting? This is how much, this is the uh, hours, hour and how much rotated. Now we will see minute hand how much rotated. So minute hand, it is 20 minutes completed. 360 by 60, it is 120 degrees traced. If you substituted in this, This minutes, 20 minutes, how much traced an angle? It is 20 degrees, 120 degrees. Totally, now we want to complete the sum. So this hour and for the 420, it is completed 130 degrees. Now the minutes and it traced 120 degrees. So between these 4 and 420, this the angle traced it is 130 minus 130 minus 120, that is 10 degrees we used to say. So that is 10 degrees, right? Now one more problem we will see, the angle between the minute hand and the angle we are going to find. This angle we are going to find minute and hand. First minute. This is 8 hours 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is nothing but this 8 already we know plus 30 by 60. 30 by 60 again, 8 plus half. So 17 by 2. This is 17 by 2 you have to convert. So you can able to see that 17 by 2, 360 by 12. So this is our hand. Our hand you are converting into 245 degrees. So now I want to calculate this minutes are, minutes 1, 360 by 60, this is 30 minutes. That 30 minutes I am converting into 180. The difference between these two, that it is 255 minus 180. How much? 20 plus 55, 75 degrees. This is the answer for this. 75 degrees is the answer. Now one more, 340. 3 hours 40 minutes. So always we used to write it about the hours first. Throw 3 plus 40 by 60. So that it is 3 plus 2 by 3. 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 11 by 3. So first the 11 by 3, how much this uh, hours our angle rotated. That angle rotated, we used to write it 240 degrees it is rotated. So hours it is converting it into 110. This is 240. 240 minus 110. So that is 130 degrees it is rotated. Now one more sum. How many times the hands clock straight line but opposite in direction? That it is the same. How many times in a day the hands clock straight line but opposite direction? Straight line in opposite direction, it is nothing but how many times it will be there? You can say that 12 o'clock in the same direction, that's it, not in the opposite direction. It is called in the same direction. Hands clock straight line, but here it is we used to write it in the same direction. In the same direction, that one you can write it 12 o'clock, 1, 5, 2, 11. That it is we used to write 527. It will be like that. So now you can write it totally for 12 hours time. How many times it is there? For 12 hours time, it is 11 times. It is 24 hours time, multiply by 2. 11 into 2, it is 22 we used to write it. So totally 22 times, that is the answer for that. Now reflex angle between the hands of a clock at 10:25. Reflex angle means you have to, whatever the same we have to find out at 10:25. You have to subtract the total thing by 360. The remaining things are say 20 plus 25 by 60. You have to calculate the angle traced. It is, you are getting 197.2. That is 312.2. First this it will become as hours hand, it is 312. Minute hand it will 150. If you subtracted, you will get 162.5. This is normally we used to do that 162.5. So this 360 minus 162.5, we get it 197 half. This is the answer. You get, this is the answer for that, right? Now a clock strikes once 1 o'clock, twice at 2 o'clock, at 1 o'clock once, 2 o'clock twice. 3 o'clock, 3 times the bell ring. Like that, 12 hours, 12 rings it will come. Like that, per day, how many times it will come? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 12 will ring. So generally, the sum of the natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So 12 now, 12 into 13 by 2. So 13, 6, 78. So 78 into 12 hours, 78 times. 12 every 12 hours it is 78. For 24 hours it will be 78 into 2, it is 156. So that 156 will come. Yeah, this is called 156. How many rotations will the hour and a clock complete in 72 hours? So every 12 hours one complete rotation, 24 hours 2 rotations, 36 hours 3 rotations. Similarly 72 by 12 it will come 6 rotations it will come, right? Now at 9:38 through the how many degrees hour and a clock moved since noon the previous day, the previous day. So noon previous means night, noon to night it is 12 hours. In the morning 9 hours 38 minutes. If added 21 hours 38 minutes. So 21 plus 38 by 60. As usually you have to find for this one how much angle, for this how much angle. Totally you will get there. So hours it is 649 by 30 hours. This is in hours. So angle it is rotated by it is 649. So since the name previous date it is rotated totally 600, and because these many hours how much angle it is rotated is 649 degrees. Actually one complete it is 360. It is rotated by 2 times. It will become it as 360 plus how much it is rotated for the remaining hour 9 hours 38 minutes. Both added means you will get it 649. Right. Now any questions after finishing this? You can able to understand that how much the minute and hour and it rotated, such that it will give efficiently how much time we are using, how much it traced, that easily can find out the timing and clock. You can efficiently you can use the clock. Thank you very much. Any questions, comments, please?